Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. I thought I'd hit you guys with a change of scenery in this episode. Wanted to switch things up, give you guys a little bit better cinematography. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button. But with that being said, let's get into this brand new unboxing. Shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin, you know how I get down. So let's get into this unboxing. But I think it's time to switch things again. Alright, now this is better. I like this. But where's the box? Here we go. Okay, so I picked this sneaker up 2 weeks ago. I purchased this sneaker on March 17th and I did not get it until March 28th. This is BS, man. I copped this from Yeezy Supplies, so that should give away what this sneaker is. But let's open the box up, let's check it out, and I finally get to open these up and see what they're like. I've had them a couple of days, just wanted to save them for you guys and give you something special. So let's get into this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I picked these up from Yeezy Supplies, so you should already know what these is. This is a pair of Adidas Yeezys, but of course this is not the regular line. This is more of the GR line, I should say. On March 17th, I was able to hit for the Yeezy Calabasas. I was able to get these in a size 12 and a half. I got lucky with the size and I pulled the trigger, but I had never purchased from Yeezy Supply before, so I didn't know that the shipping and everything was gonna take way longer. I would have rather just got a size 13 and went with Adidas and got it in 3 days. But ultimately, I'm glad I was able to scoop this up. Nobody was expecting these to be bricks, but these were bricks, ladies and gentlemen. Retail was $120. There's no resale on these. If anything, you're gonna lose money trying to sell these. Don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I don't know if I'll keep them, if I'll sell them, if I try to use them as trade bait for something later. You never know. For now, they'll just sit in a collection. I'm probably not gonna wear them, but let's at least open the box up and check them out, man. I'll be giving you guys some beautiful B-roll footage of these as well. This is the Adidas Power Phase Yeezy Calabasas, and these are dope, man. They're not bad. Old school Reeboks. That's all these are. It's just a copy of the Reebok, but Adidas own Reebok, so they can do what the hell they want to do. But the leather quality on these are actually pretty fire. These are not like a jet black, dark black. This is more of like a charcoal black. You could wear this something on the casual tip. Not bad at all. They're clean, old school, but definitely not really my style. I was hoping to cop them for resale value, but I don't mind keeping them for my personal collection considering they bricks. No one was expecting these to be such a GR the way that they were, but ultimately this was the first major Yeezy that you did not have to fight for. I've seen 1 million restocks since these have dropped. This sneaker has at least restocked 10 times. Seriously, like I follow Soul Links. I've been seeing the restocks. It was a lot of these. They made 1 million pair of these. If you want a pair of these, there was no excuse that you couldn't get these. This was the most general released Yeezy ever to drop. It had to be, because this was just nothing. It was just easy to cop online. You know, trying to get on Yeezy Supply, it's usually a fight. Like I copped and checked out, put other pairs in carts, other different sizes. Like these set, this was a GR, and this was probably the easiest Yeezy to ever cop. If you wanted a pair of Yeezys and you never had a pair of Yeezys before, you have no excuses why you did not get the Yeezy Calabasas, because this sneaker is everywhere, from Adidas to all the little small sites, the foot sites, everywhere. This sneaker was everywhere. So ultimately glad I was able to scoop this up. Like I said, I got mine in a 12 and a half. That is probably one of the most rare sneaker sizes you can ever cop. So if this sneaker ever does get some resale value one day, that 12 and a half will probably be one of the first sizes you can actually make money off of. But as of right now, these are Brick City. Do not cop these if you're trying to resell, because you will not make any money. I've seen a lot of people with a bunch of pairs of these and they just sitting because these was low-key boo-boo. But they alright, like I said, old school Reebok style. And this was the Yeezy Power Phase Calabasas, man. The all black. Glad I was able to scoop that up, man. And that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you guys taking time of your day to rock with me, watch the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video. Click that like button. Thank you guys. More content is coming on a consistent basis. It's the beginning of spring. It's the beginning of April. Atlanta about to open up. I'll be going out in the streets giving you guys a lot more video content, great videos, vlogs, unboxings, the whole nine. So just stay tuned. More content is on the way. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone.
The world is yours. The world is yours. It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.